Scorpio, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. Titignan natin ang energies na parating sa inyo bago matapos ang taong 2024. So mga pasabog bago matapos ang 2024, changes, exciting happening. So let's see. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment kung paano mag-book for a private reading. So let's see, Scorpio, what's up with you bago matapos ang taon. Okay, wow. Astrology energy. This is the 12th house. You have Aquarius and the North Node. Whoa. So, maaring magfo-focus kayo sa inyong mga future plans. Ito yung mga bagay na parang iniisip mo, kaya mo bang gawin? Or ito yung mga bagay na matagal mo nang iniisip pero hindi ka pa nagte-take action. Okay? Maaring para tong mas advanced, no? It's like you are going to plan for your future ng ahead of time. So baka yung gagawin mo ngayong bago matapos ang 2024 is para sa mga plano mo na sa mga susunod na taon. Okay? Your North Node is also about your destiny. So some of you are finally realizing your life's purpose. Yung iba sa inyo, maaring na-realize nyo na you want to become a health professional, like you want to be a nurse, or gusto mo i-pursue yung pagdodoktor, or medical practitioner, someone na nasa medical field. Some of you naman, may kinalaman to sa spirituality, sa esoteric, anything related to the occult, anything mysterious, anything that is like nasa nasa different realm. So yung iba sa inyo, you have this talent and gift, no, pagdating sa let's say tarot reading, astrology, panggagamot, no, healer, ganyan. You will discover your healing abilities kung hindi nyo pa ito na-discover. But if you know na andyan talaga yung abilidad mo, mas lalo mo tong palalakasin, mas lalo mo tong i-improve. Kumbaga hahasain mo siya. Oo. Talagang gagalingan mo pa. Aquarius energy is someone na advanced talaga siya mag-isip. So I feel like meron kang mga ipapauso. Oo, parang on a lighter side, pwedeng may mga ipapauso ka na some people will follow. Parang magiging trendsetter ka. Let's say, you are a social media influencer, content creator. So, meron kang gagawin. You will create a content and then this is something na unique or you are pioneer. Ikaw yung nagpauso. Ikaw yung parang pasimuno. No? Oo. Or yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong ipapioneer na project that you have been thinking for so long. Okay? You also have Hagalas. So, itong alam nyo, ang pag-pursue ng ating destiny, ng ating life's purpose, hindi naman siya madali eh. Kasi may mga times na susubukin talaga tayo kung gaano natin kagusto na i-pursue yun. So, for some of you may experience some disruptions, merong mga challenges, itong Hagalas energy. But, it only means na pinapatibay ka ng panahon. Okay? Tinetest ng universe, are you ready? No? Handa ka na ba na i-embrace yung iyong destiny, i-embrace yung iyong life's purpose? And then, you have Raidu. So, Raidu is about self-discovery. This is also about freedom, journey. So, yung iba sa inyo, meron rin kayong travel opportunities bago matapos ang taon, especially abroad. So, yung pag-travel na to, It's not just about for leisure. Hindi lang siya yung parang, kasi gusto mo lang magbakasyon. It's also about discovering yourself. Meron siyang spiritual reason kung bakit mo siya gagawin. Halimbawa, aakyat ka ng bundok, pupunta ka sa Sagada. It's not just about the experience itself na magpapapicture ka lang doon or gusto mo lang i-flex. It's about your spiritual journey. Ano yung mga magagawa nung journey na yon para sa yung spiritual growth. And that will lead you to Berkanu, which is about new beginnings. So, bago matapos ang taon, ililid ka sa new beginnings. Maaring iba sa inyo, may mga major decisions kayo of moving to a new place dahil na-realize mo, feeling at home ka sa lugar na yon nung nag-visit ka, nung nagbakasyon ka. May mga ganun na nagpunta sila sa isang lugar and then they fell in love sa place na yon and then doon na sila nagsettle. So, some of you may experience that na parang, this is something that I want to start my life with, no? Bago matapos ang taon. Yung iba nga gusto nyo, doon na kayo mag-New Year, no? Doon nyo i-embrace yung bagong taon. Okay? Some of you will also be very productive. Marami kang mga matatapos na mga projects, marami kang magagawa, marami kang mapuproduce na products or projects or output, ano man yung pinagkakaabalahan mo. So, let's see, overall energy for Scorpio. Okay, ayun, lumipad. The Eight of Cups. Oh, ayun na nga, may paglalakbay. Scorpio, kayo ay maglalakbay. Hahanapin nyo ang inyong destiny, ang inyong purpose sa buhay. You're leaving things behind. You are leaving a situation that is no longer serving you. So, maaring magpapatuloy to hanggang summer or within 3 to 6 months. Nako, you really have to take care of your health as well. Oo. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na energy ng hagalas na maaring, di ba kapag meron tayong pinupursu sa buhay, tapos biglang, nagkasakit ka, or something na meron kang kailangang ayusin sa sarili mo. Yun yung mga tinatawag nating disruptions, no? Or challenges. So, you might experience that. But, I think, ano man tong gusto mong ipursu, mahabang lakarin. Mahabang proseso to. Oo. Na kailangan mong pagdaanan hanggang summer. Yan, yung transition. Okay, let's see your money, career, finances. Money, career, finances for Scorpio. You have the Knight of Wands. Okay, so for your money, finances, mas magiging go-getter ka, no? Any projects that you feel passionate about, gagawin mo, ipupursu mo, no? You will also be more creative in making money. Na hindi lang siya, kumbaga hindi ka lang kikita ng pera sa traditional na pamamaraan. Ano ba yung mga traditional na pamamaraan? 'Di ba? Yung pagtatrabaho, pagtitinda. Yung iba sa inyo, something new, no? Pwedeng may bagong opportunity for a new source of income na never mo pang na-try before. May advancement, Career growth can be expected in your field of work. You are rising. Opportunities are coming your way, so don't waste your time and improve your finances. So, some of you are going to be taking some risks pagdating sa career nyo, sa business nyo, sa investments ninyo. So, let's see your love life. Love life. The Fool. The Fool is about taking risk as well. So, yung iba sa inyo, maaring meron kayong relationship na papasukin or parang magiging experimental kayo when it comes to relationship bago matapos ang taon, especially if you are single. So, pwedeng yung dating hindi mo type, magiging type mo na or bibigyan mo ng chance. I'm afraid you're going to meet someone else before I'm ready to be with you for good. Ayun na nga. So, I think ito yung yung iba sa inyo meron kayong prospect na, no? Or a relationship na parang may potential na maging romantic connection na parang iniiwasan nyo. But I think bago matapos ang taon, you might give it a try na why not, no? Bakit hindi subukan? Malay mo. Malay mo magkagustuhan talaga kayo, no? So you might be giving someone a chance, or ikaw mismo, bibigyan mo ng chance yung sarili mo to be out there, to be in a relationship with someone. Kasi yung iba na sasabihin nila, wala akong wala akong love life. Ang tanong, lumalabas ka ba? Nakikisalamuha ka ba sa iba? 'Di ba? Kahit online pa yan. You have to be open. And if you are in a relationship, I think meron kayong bagong experience ng partner mo na magiging very exciting for the two of you, no? Can be, first time nyong mag-abroad. Oo. So, mga exciting experiences para mas lalo nyong mapatibay ang inyong relasyon. Handshake. A meeting with a stranger could be important. Yung iba sa inyo may mamimit kayo bago matapos ang taon. Ito ay isang importanteng pagkikita or pagkakakilala. Pwede itong mag-lead sa romantic relationship, romantic connection in the future, or business partnership, or this person might be, kumbaga meron siyang magiging importanteng papel sa buhay mo bago matapos ang taon. What else, Scorpio? You have calm. Kalmado. A breakdown is often followed by a breakthrough. Remain calm. So, minsan talaga kailangan natin mag-breakdown. Sometimes we find ourselves crying over mga simpleng bagay, 'di ba? So it's time to attend to that, na isipin mo bakit ka umiiyak for a very parang simple things. Baka meron yung pinaghuhugutan, okay? So you really have to reassess your situation. And kung kailangan mong iiyak, ilabas yan. Iiyak mo. Kasi after nyan, you will feel better. You will feel lighter. You will feel good. No? And then, after nun, okay ka na ulit. Laban ulit. Diba? Okay? So, that is your reading. Scorpio, thank you so much. Bye.